Hey, do you know 90% of business owners struggle in their business? Why? Because their business is entirely dependent on them. Hi guys, I'm Kewal Kishan, India's leading business automation coach, and today I'm going to share 9 reasons on why you need to automate your business processes using Google application. And the ninth reason will make you understand on how to start your automation journey as well. Now let's start with the first reason why you need to systemize and automate your business processes. Now understand, when you want to grow your business, you want to delegate some work to your teammates. But when you delegate the work by just telling them that please complete the work, your teammate might not be completing the work on time, or they might make a lot of mistakes as well. And guess what? A lot of you might have faced that situation before. And because of it, now a lot of business owners have the mindset that any work that their employees do, it will be filled with mistakes. And if they do the work themselves, then it will be good. And because of which many business owners have the employees, but most of the work is dependent on their shoulders. So first thing which you need to do, why you need to systemize or automate your business, is you want to lead by effective delegation. And delegation can be done to your employees only when you have the right systems to delegate the work. In our training programs, we give a task delegation tool to our students where they have a Google form on their mobile phone. And whenever they want to delegate a work to teammate, they open the Google form, write the work, give the deadline, and choose the employee that they want to give the work to. And when they submit, employee gets a notification on the exact work which he or she need to complete. And every day, instead of business owner reminding the employee that you need to complete the work, system reminds the employee. And because of which employees complete the work and business owner get to know on the status and the quality which has been done. And they're able to analyze the employee's performance as well. So when you start using the task delegation system, what happens? You reduce the stress. You get a lot of time that you are right now firefighting in day-to-day involvement with your teammates. You will find that time for yourself and for your growth. And your team will also complete the work on time because now system is reminding them and there is a proper score, there is a proper performance which is being tracked. So this is the first reason why you need to automate your business processes. The reason is it will help you to delegate the work to your team effectively and you will be able to grow your business. Now let's move to the second reason. Now why you need to automate your business? Let me share with you second most important reason. Well, automation will help you to reduce your stress as well. Yes, you heard it right. As an entrepreneur, 8 years back when I started my entrepreneurship journey in year 2013, I had a team of 10 people and I was also working in my business. But guess what? There used to be so many mistakes. There used to be so many blunders. We used to mix so many deadlines and it used to increase the stress on me as well. Now, for example, whenever you onboard a new employee, right? If you don't have a process around it, you will keep training them manually. If you onboard a client, if you do not have an onboarding process, you will do things manually by yourself. And you will find that there's so much, these day-to-day activities will always keep you busy and you working 10 to 12 hours will not have any time to focus on growth of your business, right? So when you automate your business processes, a lot of things will be taken care by technology and you will have much more time to relax and focus on the bigger picture. So second reason is, if you want to reduce the stress, start focusing on how can you automate your business processes. Now the third reason is freedom. Do you love freedom? Yeah, me and my students, we love freedom. Now, freedom from firefighting. Now let me help you understand. Any kind of work which you do as an entrepreneur can be divided into 2 categories. First category is managerial activities. The work that you do just to manage the business, which is helping you to survive your business, but it is not helping you to scale your business. Second activities are called growth-oriented activities, which if you perform once, it will help you to scale your company growth exponentially. So let's see some examples. Managerial tasks can be managing your clients, managing the vendor payments, or giving the work to the team manually and then following up with them whether they have completed the work or not. And then tracking how many inquiries are you getting manually and just asking the team on what is the status of each and every order or each and every project that you're having in your company. Now, all of these things are manual, which are related to the operations of your company, and these we categorize as managerial tasks. right? Now, because you don't have systems, because you're not automating your business processes, guess what? All the time that you have in your company will go on managing your business. I've seen a lot of business owners, they go to the office, they put their laptop, they sit, and firefighting starts. They ask their teammate on what is the status of this project. And if there's a problem, they get involved in that. Then they go for the next problem, and then they go for the next problem, and they go for the next problem. And I call these people as CFO, Chief Firefighting Officer, who spend the entire day on just, stop the firefight and just to survive in the business. Well, smart business owners, they automate their business processes so that on their mobile, on their dashboard, they can track everything. They will not have to do anything manually, including giving the task to the teammates, including tracking how many inquiries are you getting, including tracking what is the status of the project or how much stock they have in their inventory. Any of your areas can be automated. And the result is, now instead of 8 to 9 hours in operations, they are able to manage everything investing just 1 hour a day. And these business owners then invest their other time to focus on growth oriented activities, which help them to scale their business faster. So what are growth oriented activities? It can be digital marketing, it can be hiring a great employee, it can be focusing on your branding, it can be calling 5 customers and asking them on how was their experience. And if the experience is good, asking them for sharing their testimonials as well. But I agree, a lot of business owners are not able to find any time to focus on growth because they are stuck in managerial tasks. So this is one of the biggest reason that why you need to automate your business processes. Because if you don't automate, you will find no time to focus on growth of your business. Now, the next particular reason will completely surprise you. It will help you understand that why you need to start taking action starting today. The fourth reason for you to automate your business is you will start meeting your deadlines. Now, note it down on your notebook. When you have a deadline, there is a delivery. When you don't have deadlines, there is always a delay, right? Type agree in the comment box if you agree with me on this. Now, 8 years back, I was not having any systems in my company. So any work which I used to give to my teammates or any project my team used to manage, they used to delay it always. And because of that delay, we used to miss the deadlines and customer really used to get pissed off. And because of which customer used to delay the payment and we used to have a cash flow problem. While we were having so many projects, there was no money in the company. So it's very important for you to meet your deadlines, either the work that you give to your teammates or the work which your team is performing for completing the work of a customer. But deadlines can only be achieved when you track it using automation, when you track it using system. Right? Now we have a system called flow management system where you divide your operations into number of stages, you create the deadlines and you're able to analyze that which employee is working how much and are they achieving the deadlines or are they missing it. But if you don't have any kind of technology to check the deadlines and to send the reminders to your teammates to tell them there is a deadline today or there is a deadline tomorrow, then there is 100% chance that you and your teammates will not miss your deadlines. And if you don't miss your deadlines, then your delivery will be delayed and the entire business will be impacted. The fifth reason why you need to automate your business is you will start measuring the progress. Now imagine if you're selling few products, right? And you're just focusing on sales, but not analyzing that which products are giving you the maximum revenue or which products are easy to sell. If you are able to measure it, then you can create your sales plan accordingly. For example, you're having a team of 10 teammates and you're not able to analyze that which teammate performs well or completes the work on time and which teammates does not perform or does not complete the work on deadline, right? So when you measure things, then you're able to optimize your decisions and you're able to scale things as well. But without measurement, there is no scalability. So this is one of the biggest reasons why you need to automate your business processes. Now, what if I tell you that when you start using Google applications in your business to automate your business processes, Google gives you all the tools to analyze and measure your progress. For example, in Google Sheets, you can create any kind of report in 2 minutes without any formula and without any coding. There is another tool which Google provides called Google Data Studio, where you can create advanced level of business analytics dashboards, which can show you the complete progress or analysis of your sales department, your team, your finance, and your operations as well. If you want to learn it, you can check out in the description the next masterclass which I'm doing on business automation, which will help you to understand on how can you automate your business in less than 8 weeks. So this is one of the best reason is if you want to measure your progress, if you want to know that the efforts which you and your teammates are putting, the kind of results they're getting, if you want to analyze that result, you need to automate your business processes. Because without automation, you will not be able to collect the data, you will not be able to measure it, and you will not be able to create any kind of analysis reports as well. So this is one of the most important reasons. Now let's go to the next reason. The next reason for you to automate your business is better communication within the organization. Now, when your employees' roles are clear, when they have a system to get the task and update whether they have completed the work or not, then it is easy for teammates to communicate in between because it reduces the chances of confusion. Now, Google Chat is one application Google provides where you can create the rooms, and in each and every room you can have your employees added. You can have the sales room, marketing room, operations room, HR room, and these rooms are the groups of your teammates in terms of your departments where they can share the Google documents with each other, making it everything on cloud. And within the Google Chat, they can just have a chat with each other. They can have a video call meeting with each other, whether they are working in office or whether they are working at home. And what is the best part? That entire data is on Google Cloud and it is completely secured. If any of your employees leave the company, you can change the password and the entire communication will be within the organization rather than employee taking up with them. So this is one of the reasons why you need to automate your business processes. Now, the 7th reason why you need to automate your business is it increases the accountability on your employees. Now, when I started my entrepreneurship career, I had a team. I used to give the work to them, but they never used to complete the work on time. I used to ask them, hey, why you not completed this work? They used to come up with one excuse or another. And I used to feel that I'm giving work to them, salary to them, but the entire accountability of getting the work completed was on my shoulders. So now when you automate your business processes, your team has defined rules, they have systems, and now they will have everything they need to complete any work without any error. And guess what? Now the accountability which is on your shoulder gets divided on your employees as well. And their performance, their work that they do is directly connected to the performance as well, which you can analyze on how they are performing. So it increases the accountability, and because of which it overall help you to scale your business. Now, according to a study, 45% of the repetitive tasks can be handled using an automation tool. So the 8th reason why you need to automate your business is it increases the productivity of all your employees, because now they have got the defined roles and their repetitive tasks are being handled by systems, and they're able to focus on growth-oriented tasks as well. Yes, the growth-oriented task cannot be only of yours. You can create growth-oriented tasks of your employees as well, where instead of just day-to-day managerial activities which can be handled using automation, they can focus on something which involves decision-making, which involves some research and development, and which involves in, adding the value to something bigger that you want to achieve in your business. Now, last but not the least, this particular reason will push you to start your automation journey today itself. Now, before I reveal the 9th awesome reason, make sure you check the link on the description and you sign up for my next business automation masterclass, where I'm going to help you understand on why you need to systemize your business and what is the secret weapon through which you can automate any business processes without wasting lakhs of rupees on expensive softwares, and how can you achieve complete automation in your business in less than 8 weeks. Now let's go back to the 9th most important reason. 9th reason for you to automate your business is this: cost optimization. Now 8 years back, I was having a team of 10 employees and we were not even able to manage 10 clients because everything was mess, everything was manual. Right now we have got so many automation systems in our business and we have implemented in other students' business as well. And right now we are having a team of 10 employees and we are having clients in 85 cities in India and 7 other countries. So yes, using automation, you can scale your business with less number of employees. Now look around yourself. Companies like WhatsApp, which is one of the biggest messaging company in the world, they are not having a team of more than 50 employees, right? So when you automate your business processes, you will not require more employees to do the work, because automation will take care of so many things for you, and your employees will be focusing on core activities rather than working as a clerk in your office. So the ninth reason is it will help you to reduce the cost and increase the overall productivity in the entire company. Now, as an entrepreneur, you need to make decisions. Do you want to run the way you are running, just firefighting and managing things manually, or do you want to scale your business by automating your business processes? If you're a smart business owner, check out the link in the description and attend my business automation masterclass, where I'll help you to understand on how can you automate a business in less than 8 weeks. And this particular lesson made you understand on why you need to systemize your business. Now, if you have any entrepreneur friend, any person who is a business owner who is in your network, you can click on the share button and share this video. And do not forget to click on the subscribe and click on the bell icon as well, because we are having so many videos which we are putting every week, which is giving immense value to every business owner, helping them to understand that how actually business should run.